Take my hand and
Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to do this look inspired by spring, summer, flowers. I hope you like it.
don't stop looking in.
Let's start by applying our skincare. I start with my hydrating toner and I continue with my sunscreen. You want to like slather it on like a lot. Don't forget your chin. Don't forget your nose. And look at that glow. Isn't that just pretty? And next I'm prepping my lips using Vaseline. This is so comforting. First step for makeup, I need to color correct my under eye. And then I continue with my concealer to neutralize my lids and to prime my lids for the eyeshadow. Next, I apply this blush colored eyeshadow. I think I was actually using my blush here to kind of prep my crease. So yeah, I just put this blush on my crease. This is like a pinky blush that I own. Next, I'm using this Catrice eyeshadow that I've had for quite a while, and I take this color right here and I apply it straight to the balls of my eyelids. Don't forget to blend it out. Next, it's time for the purple. I applied the purple on the outer V of my eyes. Just build up the intensity until you're happy with it. Also, don't forget to blend. I also put the purple shadow on the lower part of my eyelid. On my lower inner V, I'm taking a shimmery green eyeshadow. And then I added a shimmery iridescent green eyeshadow to my inner corner to connect it with the lid color that we applied earlier. Next, I applied a pencil gel liner and I drag it out with my brush to create like a teeny tiny wing. Just something to add some definition to my eyes. Next, do your brows and then let's continue with the face. Here I'm just applying my foundation, and these days I like to blend out my foundation using this cushion puff. I think it really leaves a nice smooth blend. Next, of course, I gotta bump up the coverage on my under eyes because yeah, my eye bags cheeks need them. I'm also applying a little bit of concealer on my temple area, like under my outer feet area, to kind of lift it up a little bit. And then I blend it up with a brush, and of course my trusty cushion puff. So, a little backstory about this particular spot right here. It's actually an acne scarring that I got since like 2018, and it hasn't faded at all. I don't know. Like, it just, I know that's not a mole. I know that's not a beauty mark because I've never noticed it prior to 2018. You know what I'm saying? Now, let's zoom out and set our whole face with some powder. And here I'm just doing the final check for my eyeshadows, just blending out some edges so that it's more seamless. And then it's time to curl our lashes and apply some mascara. Next, I contoured my face using a contour powder just under the cheekbone area, but a little bit like on the cheekbone area for more of a lifted effect. Next, I applied some blush in an upward motion for a lifted effect. I also connected my blush towards my eye makeup to create a little bit of a blush draping effect. Blushy cheeks makes me happy. I also applied a little bit of blush on my nose for that cute look. Next, I gotta apply some highlighter. I love this highlighter and I'm running out of it. Like, I hit pan and now it's just, I'm scraping up the sides. Help please, like I need to find some replacement. I also applied this golden highlighter on my brow bone and on the bridge of my nose, also on the tip of my nose. And apparently I didn't forget to keep it swell. Next, I line my lips with some Nude pencil liner. I don't usually use pencil liner, but I was on the face and I thought I'm gonna try it. And I didn't actually like overline, but I was pretty happy. This was one of my first attempts. Next, I applied this Revlon lipstick that I haven't used in a while. I'm so happy to take it out again out of my collection. Next, I thought I'm gonna add a little bit more magic by adding this Colourpop highlighter in Over the Moon. It has a little bit of a shifty, purpley, bluey, iridescent look to it, and I just thought it's perfect for the look. I mean, look at that glow, look at that shine, look at those glitters. It just makes me happy. We gotta mist ourselves with some setting spray. Fan that out to dry. And then your look is complete. Now just enjoy me overtly posting. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope it entertains you. I hope it makes you happy. Bye. See you next time.